Hi, today I'm going to be talking to you about do's and don'ts with M-Elec's new Apex fitting. Do remove the rubber grommet in the back by pushing it out, or cut a hole in it to insert your cable, or if installing a conduit through the base, snap out the base conduit entry point using a good set of pliers. Do adjust the finger screws on the side of the lamps to make the installation a lot easier and a lot more applicable before heading up a ladder. Do make adjustments to the sensor using the adjustable screws down the bottom and a small screwdriver to set it up perfectly for your tests. We suggest setting the time to a minimum, the lux to day, and the sensitivity to medium to test the light during daylight hours. Do adjust the output color of the lights on the main body before installing the unit back onto the base. Use a level on the flat part of the base to ensure that the base is perfectly even. Do ensure that you're installing to as flat a surface as possible. Do not fix the Apex onto an uneven surface using a drill. This will result with the base being completely skewed and an uneven connection possible from the pins of the main unit to the base unit. Do take note of the way the unit is wired. In this particular fitting, we have a neutral, a line out or a load out, and then a switch wire in. Do not use the center terminal as an earth point. If you do terminate the earth into the switch or the sensor out position, it will blow the unit up. Do use 1.5 or 2.5 mil cable to wire to the terminal block. You can fit up to 3 1 mil cables, 2 1.5 mil cables, or 1 2.5 mil cable easily. At a maximum, you can fit 4 1 mil cables, 3 1.5 mil cables, or 2 2.5 mil cables. Do wire to the bottom of the terminal block and not the top. Do use the sensor out middle terminal if you need to wire up other lights to come on when this sensor light activates. Do remove the load out or the sensor out red tag when you need to wire up other lights to come on when this sensor light activates. Do ensure any cable penetration points or points where you've fixed are suitably sealed. Do ensure that you use the guiding pins either side on both the base and the main body to easily slide the unit on when you've finished wiring. Do adjust both the lights and the sensor to a suitable position for optimal performance. Do not point the sensor at any type of trees or grasses that are going to consistently activate it during the night for nuisance trips. Do not adjust the lights so they're pointing up and can have rain or any type of moisture sit on the lens and not be able to drain away effectively. Do not use the drill to fix the main body onto the base, as it could damage the screw. Do not drill a hole outside the position that's marked cable space to bring your cables inside of the base unit. Do not spin the sensor upside down so that all the adjustments are up towards any type of moisture or rain coming down. The Apex, it's now available.